Hello friends and strangers, and welcome either to or back to my channel. So I said today was going to be Jack Skellington. Well, I didn't say, but it was on the clues thing that I did on my Instagram. If you don't follow me, please do. It's literally spelled like this. But I was kind of like looking at pictures of Jack Skellington and I was like, yo, he's not scary, and also I don't particularly care for The Nightmare Before Christmas. Not gonna lie, loved Tim Burton more than anything in the world, but that film just doesn't do it for me. I'm more of a Corpse Bride girl myself. So yeah, I was just sort of looking at it and I was like, why? I'm not gonna do this, man. I'm sorry. I said I'm not doing it. So then I was like, okay, I need to think my cat's doing a shit, so I'm really sorry if you can hear her scratching. Yeah, so I was looking and I was like, okay, what other like horror film villains are there that I can actually do? Because obviously there's like Pinhead and like you fucking Jason, but I can't really do them with just face paint. I'd need like an actual mask and SFX stuff. And I don't know if I've mentioned this, but I'm fucking poor, so it's just not gonna happen. I'm sorry. But then I googled like scariest horror villains, and obviously my girl Samara was there. And then this bitch, the fucking BABADOOK comes up, and I was like, ooh, because I've seen the film. I think I've seen it 3 times. I'm going to see it for the 4th time on Monday when my housemate gets back, because she's never seen it and she must. But yeah, I've seen it before and I wasn't that asked by the film. Like, it didn't scare me. I liked it. It was a really good film and I loved all the metaphors and everything, but it didn't frighten me, which is fine, because I would be quite worried if a film did frighten me. She's brave. But now I look at his face and I've actually started looking at it. He's scary. I don't like his face. Anyway, it's been 2 minutes and I have done nothing but talk shit. So, without further ado, let's get into it. First thing I've got to do is glue down my eyebrows, which you know I absolutely love doing. So what I'm doing is I've just got a little mascara spoolie, with a big hair on it, that's nice. And I'm just going to brush those upwards first. And then you go in with the actual glue stick. I noticed I'm a bit higher up today. I don't really know why that is. I haven't moved my drawers, because you're balancing on some drawers right now. But yeah, I haven't moved them, so I don't know why I'm higher up, but I am, so it's just how it is, I'm afraid. Okay. Once again, I'm absolutely stunning. So now that that is done, I guess it's time for me to put the face paint on. Now, as you can see, he has got like a grey face. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it all white and then shade it. Once again, my reference picture is down there because it's on my desk. Yeah, I'll do him all white and then I can see. Because I don't know if he actually is grey or if it's just the lighting. Also, I don't have those contacts because I'm broke. Okay, I'm back and my face is done with the white. So now I need to move on to the black. Now, as you can see, he has got this big ass mouth and I really can't open my mouth that wide normally, let alone with this on my face. So I think what I'm going to do is paint it on, because that way I can do like the teeth, and the inside of his mouth is black and obviously that's pink. So yeah, and I'm going to do the forehead black as well because he's got a big old hat on. I don't have a hat. Grab my Intergalactic palette and the colour Black Hole on like this little thin brush, and I'm just gonna like mark out where it would go. So like, Okay, and again, I'm gonna layer this on, so I will go off camera to do that and then come back. So... Stop, I can't laugh. Okay. This is my face now. That's me smiling. Boo. I'm gonna do my eyes and my forehead now. Now, like I said, he's got a hat on. I don't have a hat, so I'm just gonna do black forehead and then black around the eyes, like he's got. So once again, I will show you the starting process and then I will go off camera and do that, because if not, this is gonna be like an hour long and no one wants to see me painting me face for an hour. I'm aware this looks awful, but please do stick with me, because I promise by the end it will look something like that guy. Perhaps. Right, so back in with the Intergalactic palette, and we're going to need the colour Black Hole. And just like any brush, really. And we're just going to use that to smudge out the edges. And to go underneath the eye. Notice I don't need any other colour, because as it loses its pigment on my face, it's turning grey on its own. I'm going to add mascara, because obviously my eyelashes are not doing their best. Nothing fancy. Just enough to cover up all the white face paint that has been left on them. So now we're going to do the shading around his mouth. And I'm literally not even going to put any more pigment on this whatsoever. And I'm going to contour the nose a little bit again. No pigment needed, just... Alright, now I'm going to try and draw his teeth on. So what I'm going to do is grab the same brush I was using before. So it still has like a little bit of black on it. And I'm going to grab some white face paint. This will probably fuck up my white face paint, but honestly I'll survive. And then just draw him some teeth, so. Okay. Then I'm gonna add like a little bit of gloss and then some lines here to like sort of define, because he's got a very defined chin and I've got a double chin, so not great. Like just here, just to sort of make it look like my mouth is open. So then I've got a little bit of lip balm, it's literally just Vaseline, and I'm just gonna mark off like where his lips would be, just so that bit's a bit shinier. Okay. I know it looks horrible now, but please bear with me, and hopefully the reveal will look good. All that, I found fucking hat. This is horrible, so I'm going to take all of this off. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Next week will be the final week of Spooky Month, and I will be uploading it on a Friday so that you can see it before Halloween. And that is it. That is all from me today. I hope you have enjoyed me having a fucking breakdown, trying to turn myself into this beast of a man. If you haven't seen the Babadook, I would highly recommend it. Please follow me on all my social medias. My Twitter is down at the minute. I don't know where the fuck it's gone. Sorry, I'm swearing a lot more than I usually would, but I'm angry because I want my Twitter back. But yeah, but you can still follow me on Instagram, and I've got a page on Facebook. Not that I really upload it or update it even. But yeah, follow me on Instagram. That's where I'm most active. That's where you're most likely to find me, and comment down below if you enjoyed. So yeah, leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.